Alright, yeah, welcome to this video, and in this lesson we have been asked as well to find the y dx of this function using the power rule. And we know what our power rule says. Our power rule says that if you have f of x to be this, then f prime of x will be, if f of x equals x to the power of n, then let's do this properly. F of x equals x to the power of n, then f prime of x will be nx n minus 1, as long as n is a constant, and that is true. And if n is constant, then you are able to do this. This is what we call the power rule representation in solving the derivative of this function. So let's apply that here and see what we get. So if we have f of x to be this, then f prime of x, first of all, let me write this in places so you know what it stands for. This you are seeing here, I can write this to be 2 multiplied by 1 all over all roots of x squared plus 1. This is the same as this here. Yes, the same as this. And this can also become f of x equals 2 into this can become x squared plus 1 all to the power of negative half. Now our goal here is to differentiate this expression and see what we get using the power rule. So now we can say that f prime of x is equal to this 2. Then the power rule says this man will come back to multiply this variable here. So we have 2 by negative half into what we have here, x squared plus 1. Now you are removing 1 from what we have here, minus 1. So after that, we differentiate what we have in a bracket as well. Now 1 goes to 0, and x squared will give us 2x. What can we simplify here? We can take away this, and 2x times negative 1 is negative 2x. Negative half negative 1 is negative 3 over 2. So we have f prime of x equals negative 2x into x squared plus 1 into negative 3 all over 2. And to make this so basic, we can say f prime of x equals, now this alone we have here, let's take it back to this. So we get negative 2x into 1 all over all roots of x squared plus 1 to the power of 3. Now taking this man inside, we have final answer. We have the f prime of x, which is equal to the dy dx of that function, is equal to negative 2x all over all roots of x squared plus 1 to the power of 3. Now this is the result when we apply the power rule. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson.